What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon coming to you guys with a brand new video, and today we're taking apart the turbo. Actually, I already took it all apart, but I wanted to vlog it just to show you guys what I'm looking at and what I've seen already by taking it off. The whole time I thought it was fine, and turns out it isn't fine. So I'm going to show you guys on here what I'm looking at. See if I can place this the best I can. You guys can see in there's a little chip or like a blade missing there. So I'm guessing the blade fell in, and that's what was making that noise when you guys heard it. So that kind of sucks. The walls look all scratched up from the blade, probably possibly being in there. It's weird though because there's no play in it. But yeah, we messed up the turbo. I gotta send this over to 271, talk to them about it. Hopefully we can do something about it. Possibly get some new blades or something like that. Like I said, I want to get a W2 at this point because I feel like, I don't know, I just want to get a W2 at this point. So hopefully we can. But we took the W1 out and we're putting the stock one back in, which is over here. So that's going in the car now. And it shouldn't be too hard. It's pretty much just plug it back in and play. So yeah. The mic, I don't even have one on here, kind of whack, but excuse the shitty audio. We gotta go some chores, and excuse my breakout. Your boy's breaking out a little bit. Anybody know, like, when, you know, because we're wearing all the masks and shit, that's when I really been breaking out? Anybody know how to fix that? I still haven't found a solution yet. But anyways, we're gonna talk about the turbo. Obviously, you guys are here for the title of the video. I just need to go get a box to put it in and ship it out. I'll explain more in a second.
But for you, I would do things
All right, box is acquired. Now we gotta wrap the turbo up. If you guys are asking why I'm rewrapping this one, there's a little flat missing, and two, I'm not shipping an RV box to 271. So, had to go pick up a box. Had to get some bubble wrap, which is behind there somewhere. Excuse my dirty ass car. But yeah, now we just gotta wrap it up and send it out. Had to stop by my local 7-Eleven to pick up some G Fuel, face berry while wearing the face jacket. Yes, there's key. I know. Taste test. Not that bad. I don't know how to pull a box, so I hope this is easy. But everything should be pretty good to go. Alright, I had to change into some clothes, like take the jacket off and the pants off, because it's actually pretty damn hot outside. And it's supposed to rain today, and it doesn't look like it. Anyways, if you guys remember a few weeks back, we took the turbo off here. See if I can. We took the turbo out and we put the stock one back in. And the car is running perfectly fine, like no problem at all. I'll fix this turbo so I can run it and put it back on the car. Like I said, I am running the stock one now, and the car runs perfectly fine. Like, there's no issues at all. So I just gotta swap it all over. It's been up a couple of days, or it's probably been about a week now since I uploaded everything. But let's see if you guys remember exactly what happened. This side of the turbo, I'm gonna try to put a picture up just because you might be able to see it better with a picture. Let's see if I can get some light in there. Can't really see it too much. Let's see. You guys can see it right there. The little blade broke off. That couldn't be, that can and cannot be the issue. Most likely that is, because when I got the turbo it wasn't like that, and now it is. So 271's gonna see what they can do to hook me up. Hopefully the crack is fixed. I mean, there is some scratches on the walls too, which you can see in there. Let me turn it back up for you guys so you guys can see in there. There is some scratch in the wall, so obviously something happened in there, but hopefully everything can get fixed and is no issue at all, because obviously we want the turbo back and running. And who knows, maybe I'll get hooked up with a W2. I doubt it, but I do want to get a W2 on there. So I just gotta wrap this up, send it out, and hopefully they can take care of your boy. So let's get moving here. Alright, it took me 8 minutes to wrap this bitch up. I'm gonna need some tape. I don't really trust this too much, but yeah, turbo's in. Now we just gotta send it out. Rip. Okay, yeah, don't trust this shit at all. Turbo is good to go. Just ship it out. Hopefully it is something that can be repaired, and hopefully they take care of me. But like I said, I understand that the whole warranty doesn't pass on to the second owner. Makes a lot of sense. I mean, you know, I wasn't the original buyer of the turbo, so like they can't grant the warranty. Because like I said, it makes a lot of sense. But hopefully 271 can take care of me. We can get it back in the car to make some more banging videos. Like I said, the car right now is on the stock turbo, stock tune. Hopefully we have a parametrics tune coming very, very soon. So we're just trying to get on that parametrics going. That's all it is. That parametric push. You know, I ran that on the stock turbo beforehand, but when I swapped turbos, I swapped Flash Pros. So don't have it on this Flash Pro, but I'm gonna get it very, very soon. So hopefully we can get back to at least pushing somewhat kind of power on Honda Flash Pro and parametrics, and then hopefully we can get this taken care of and get that back in my hands and ready to go. But you know, it kind of sucks. We're in this situation, but hopefully it all gets taken care of. Your boy just wants to be back on the road and good to go. The car is absolutely filthy right now. I was gonna go wash it, but it's supposed to rain today. Let's see if it's supposed to rain today. It's supposed to rain around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in where I live at. I don't think I want to do it, so the car's gonna have to be dirty for just a little bit longer. By the way, I'm thinking about getting wheels next. If you guys, I'm thinking about getting wheels very, very soon. If you guys want to see like me get, you know, some special wheels, let me know what you guys want me to see. Let me know what I should put on the car, but I think I already know what I want to get. I have my eyes on it for a little while now, so maybe within the next couple months we can get some new wheels on it, because she hasn't had wheels in a fucking minute. We had to sell it to fix the trans. If you guys remember, that shit was a whole ordeal. But yeah, car's good, runs good. Hell yeah, brother. Oh, car's so filthy. Gotta move the car because I don't like parking in the driveway unless I'm working on my car, so I can let the roommates have it. By the way, I think there's something else wrong with the car. It might be an axle. I was told the driver axle goes out a lot, or easily on this car, and obviously me being as low as I am, I think the axle's bad too, so I gotta replace that. But yeah, PRL intercooler still sitting here for sale. Just kidding. I'm gonna put that on. I wanted to put it on today, but like I said, it's gonna rain. I really don't want to work on it today while it's raining. So PRL intercooler still sitting here. If you guys want to see some moto vlogs, let me know. I'll learn how to ride a bike and how to be. But yeah, this is our pet of the house. Her name is Pico. Hi Pico. I call her Pico Magiko. That's right, Pico Magiko, that's you. I know. Okay, I'm finishing, you know, I'm gonna start editing pretty soon and get this video uploaded for you guys, but I just wanted to kind of just talk to you guys for a little bit, because I know I normally don't do this. I wish I had my tripod here. Let me look at my tripod actually. Okay, that's a little bit better. I don't know how good the lighting's gonna be, but I just want to talk to you guys, man, because we haven't really talked in a while. We just kind of, you know, just been on the move, on the grind lately, but I just want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who's been part of this journey. I know lately it's been like a little rough, but I want to say a real thank you. I know I say thank you a lot, but just seriously, just thank you. We've come a long way, especially within the past year. You know, last year was like the best year we had on YouTube in forever, obviously. And you guys are still continuing to show the love, which is real. You know, so it's literally so real. So we're on the verge of hitting 3K. I think we're like 30, you know, we're like 24 off of hitting 3K, so we're very close. If you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we'll get going. But just want to say just thank you, man. Seriously, for this past year has been incredible. You know, I just want to sit down and just talk to you guys, man. Just do whatever you want to do in life. You know, I've been doing YouTube since 2016 now, since the last year of my high school. And obviously back then it was just like more vlogs and everything. But as time went on, like cars became the thing. And last year in 2020, though, was a shitty year for everyone across the world. It was still a good year for me. So just thank you guys so much again. Like, you know, day in and day out, I'm trying to put in work for you guys. I'm trying to put in a clothing brand. I'm trying to make, you know, I'm just trying to make shit happen, dude, and it's just amazing. You know, I want to get a second car. I'm working a 9-to-5 job. I don't even know if you guys know that, but I am working a 9-to-5 job. Like, I'm working like really hard to make this dream come true, and slowly but surely it is showing, you know, itself. So just thank you guys again. Just, you know, huge thank you. So I love you guys so much. Just thank you guys. You know, like I said, if you want to do something in life, you just got to do it, man. Sometimes you just got to take that risk. You know, whether you want to be a doctor, you want to talk to that girl, whether you want to be a YouTuber like me, or just anything, man. It's go out and do it. You know, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. And then, you know, I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I've just been hustling and hustling, especially last year. Even though COVID happened, I was just grinding it out. And I was like, this year's going to be no different. So just like, you just got to keep going, got to keep grinding. I plan to get into the car soon. You know, like I said, I want to get wheels. There's a lot of things I want to do to the car now, but there is another car out there that I do want. There's actually two options. And I know some of you guys may disagree a little bit. I don't know, man. Like I said, just follow your dreams, dude. You know, like I said, whether you want to be a doctor, a scientist, a fucking astronaut, a cop, YouTuber, a fucking graphic designer, whatever the fuck you want to do, just do it, dog. You know, you never know what's gonna happen, and you just gotta keep working and working and working. You know, I've been doing, like I said, I've been doing this shit since 2016, and nobody sees the work that I put in behind the scenes, especially last year. You know, I've just been kind of. You know, you may see all these videos get uploaded, but you know, people want to see like 10 minutes of my day versus like it takes me a whole day to film. Like it takes me a whole day to film. I gotta think of other ideas. I gotta be original, you know. And it's easy to be original, but then again, like you just kind of want to catch people's eye at the same time. So I'm glad that, you know, I'm in the position that I'm in with you guys, and just with everything going on, it's just incredible right now. So, you know, slowly but surely the ball is rolling. The ball is rolling. You know, you better get in, you know, like a little snowball. You know, it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger as it goes. And, you know, you better be the little snow I pick up. You know, hop on the train. As fucking Tim the Tap Man, you know, as we say, the fucking the flock of geese or whatever the fuck he does. That bullshit. I'm gonna roll that sometime here. But yeah, hopefully we hit a certain milestone this year. I'm gonna try to make a vision board. And I really want to put it up because I wanted to make one last year, but I didn't get to. So I'm going to try to make one this year and put it up there. And I do want to get the second channel going because I have been gaming a lot. And all I do is record it, but I never upload it. One, I never get wins on Warzone. Though I do get a lot of, you know, decent amount of kills. I can't win a freaking game. So if you guys are good at Warzone, hit me up. And my Instagram down below, just hit me up. Let's go in some Warzone, buddy. But, yeah, real shit. Just thank you guys so much, man. Just follow your dreams and do what you guys gotta do. Just keep hustling, keep flexing, you know, and just keep working hard. You know, hard work's gonna pay off someday. You just gotta keep going. So sorry for getting a little sentimental there. I just wanted to just talk to you guys and just, you know, let you guys know what's up. But yeah, turbo's getting sent out. Hopefully we can get it taken care of. Let me know what wheels you guys want to see again. And yeah, you know, a little dry on content here. I think my last video was like a week out. But I'm gonna try to go like some meets and that are, you know, around the city a little bit, and start doing like other types of videos too. There's some like challenge videos that I want to do, and just other types of stuff that I want to do that, you know, I think will be fun for the channel. Just upload shit that I want to do and just have fun doing it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was like very, very short, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Reminder, we're hitting 3K soon. With that being said, there's gonna be a giveaway. So what are you doing, Timmy? So hit the sub button. We can do a giveaway at 3K. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I will see you guys next time. Dab, peace.